The most difficult thing in this world could be losing weight. But don't worry guys, we are here for you. If you are someone who is wondering how to lose weight but don't know where to start, knowing yourself could be the best way to start. Hit the subscribe button and press the like button. And the most important thing, click on the bell icon so that you never miss out a video from the Holistic Collective. You might also want to check out our affiliate product in the description. I'm sure you'll love it a lot. And now is the time for some tips that will help you to lose weight. These tips are different for different zodiac signs, so make sure you take note of your sign. Aries. The Arians have a God-gifted strong and muscular physique. However, they tend to put on weight even by the slightest intake of a slice of bread. The problem with them is that they are very tempted by tasty food. They find it very difficult to control their temptation. The Arians love to begin a new journey, but they are not able to follow it through to keep them motivated and challenge them throughout their weight loss journey. They should look for a gym partner or a friend to exercise with. With them, you will not feel bored and won't quit it. Taurus. The Taurians have a hedonistic personality which makes it difficult for them to stay consistent on their weight loss journey. The Taurians look average in body physique, however they are known to be the most charismatic and attractive signs of the whole lot. A Taurus is attracted to luxurious things, so if you can make exercise look glamorous, you might feel like doing it. Taurians can offer a luxurious gym with various amenities like a swimming pool, a sauna and access to masseurs. This is how you can stay consistent in your weight loss journey. Gemini. The Geminis are average in their look and personality with muscular bodies. They seldom gain weight, however, they find it easy to stay committed to their weight loss journey. They hate being bullied that they gain weight or being called fat. The best activity for a Gemini could be fast walking or running, as they love to communicate and don't like silence much. They can try to find a partner or a friend who is willing to walk a few kilometers with them. The Geminis are multitaskers. If they can't find someone, they can go for music to fill the silence. Cancer. The Cancerians are natural homemakers. They love to spend time in the kitchen. A Cancerian is very fond of cooking and they tend to show their love and care through cooking for others. They have a naturally lean body and do not gain weight easily, though they are the biggest foodies among all the zodiac signs. They love fitness also, and this is the reason that their weight is always controlled. They do not have to put much effort, just a bit of change in diet can be beneficial to their weight loss journey. Leo. Leo loves to socialize and loves it when they are in the spotlight. Mostly Leo ascendants are blessed with naturally lean and muscular bodies. The Leos are famous for their love for fitness, but when Jupiter is not in the right place, they tend to get extremely lazy, which leads to heavy weight gain. The Leos like to play sports, so keeping yourself indulged in a sport could be a better option for weight loss. You can go play with some friends or look for teams who are in search of additional players to burn your additional fat while enjoying the game. Virgo. The Virgos are the ones who always look for perfection, which makes them successful. The Virgos have a passion for fitness inbuilt, so all they need is a little bit of a push, motivation to keep them on track. They often get discouraged if they do not get the desired results, but because of this, they tend to put more pressure on themselves. The best way through which they can lose weight is by giving them stability. They love routine, so they can easily follow any healthy diet or exercise routine. Libra. The Libras are not very adventurous when it comes to changing their routine. They like to keep things simple and prefer to maintain balance in their life. They want some simple diet plan or exercise routine which can fit their lifestyle without any stress. The Libras don't like to stay alone, so the best way to lose weight for them would be to find a partner with whom they can share this journey and talk about their experiences. Scorpio. For most of the Scorpions, their bodily structure is muscular. They are the opposite of Libras. They like extremes. They love the do-or-die situations. Either they want it all or they want nothing. They should get into something like MMA, kickboxing, or a dramatic place where they can use their fighting spirit. This sign does not find it difficult to stay committed to their weight loss journey, and their love for transforming their life can often lead to some big transformations. Sagittarius. As per their sign, they have a lean and long body type. A Sagittarius tends to get bored easily. They lack patience and weight loss needs consistent efforts. They can go for something adventurous like wall climbing, hiking or horseback riding. The best way by which they can lose weight is by trying out new things more often. They'll get bored eventually. That is why they need to try new things and should not stress over long-term fitness goals. Capricorn. The Capricorns are extreme versions of the Virgos. They have a lean and long body type. They do not have to be worried about weight loss in most cases. They are very serious about everything, so going to a gym could be a good option for them. The gym will remind them that they are paying for their weight loss and eventually they will get serious about it. And if you are a Capricorn and do not have access to a gym, you can go running in the morning. Aquarius. An Aquarian's descendant has an average body build. They find it difficult to follow a diet plan. They love their junk food and that makes them gain weight. They love to stand out, so going to the gym or going for early morning runs would not tempt them to stay consistent in it. The best activity for them could be attending dance classes or Pilates. This could give them a feeling of social uniqueness. Pisces. The Pisceans are highly sensitive, so gaining weight can make them feel insecure. However, this sign is more careful about their mental health, so physical health does not bother them much. As Pisces is a water sign, swimming could be one of the best options for them. Also, they can go running or jogging in the forest because they are big fans of nature. Following these tips could be beneficial for you if you are planning to begin with your weight loss journey. Remember, consistency is the key. Good things take time. And as we at the Holistic Collective always say, avoid stress, eat right, sleep well, and never forget to smile.